Okay. Case,
Yes.
you're going to show us
How to change the filters and the UV light.
a little bit of maintenance on them. Okay.
Okay. So
First
of all, we turn off the power for the UV. Just unplug the cord.
We could turn it off with a PowerPoint if we had one, but we don't.
And turn off the water supply here on this side of the filter.
Okay.
And then we release the pressure just by opening a tap.
Yep.
Water's gone. Open the filter, the first filter. This is a 20 micron pleated polyester filter, so it's easy to wash. And when you wash it, just open the valve and wash it like that. And when it's really dirty, black, and you can't clean it anymore, it's time to replace it. Put this one back.
And there is actually a spanner that if it gets too tight. We didn't put one here, I don't think.
Okay, that's and then check the second filter. This is a double graded poly filter from 25 to 1 micron. I mean, you can wash the outside but not the inside, so when this is really black it needs replacement. Normally within 6 to 12 months when using only rainwater.
And just hand tighten is fine.
Yeah, just hand tight. Then the UV light. That should be replaced pretty much every 2 years. You just untie this screw and it pulls up by itself. Then disconnect the connection. Take out the light and you can replace it. Just put it here. Inside here is a quad sleeve. It's glass that protect the light from the water, and every once a year you should clean this just with a soft cloth if it's dirty, and after 2-3 years it's probably stained that you can't clean it really. You have to replace it. Inside is a real fine spring, and that stops the UV light from falling into the bottom. So be sure that the spring always is in the bottom part of the glass sleeve. Put it back in. This is also just hand tightened because there is special O-rings inside. Put back the UV light, just carefully put it down in the sleeve and it sits on top on the spring. Then we put this back on. It is only one way to connect to the 4 pins, but you can see the squares, how it fits onto it. Put it back on and tighten. All good. So we turn the water back on and the UV light. So that when you open the tap, when the system hasn't been used for a couple of hours, it will be pretty warm because of the light in the stainless steel sleeve, but just let it run for a bit and it will be cold. And the transformer here, there is always a green light. That means that the light is working. When it's not working, there will be a red light flashing and beeping. Then you have to replace the light. So, sometimes for whatever reason, a thunderstorm or a power surge, that will damage the transformer or the light. We have a power surge protector to stop that for doing that, but sometimes it still happens. And that's pretty much it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Good to go.
Thank you.